Welcome to the online classes of grade 9th state board, and the chapter is surface areas and volumes. In the previous session we learned the surface area of cylinder, cone and the sphere. In this session we will going to learn the volume of a cylinder, surface areas and volumes. In this chapter this portion is over, surface areas is over, that is the area, surface area of cylinder, cone and the sphere. Now we are going to learn the volume of a cylinder. So volume of a cylinder is nothing but volume of a cylinder is equal to, see here you have to take area of base into the height. Area of base into height. What is area of base? Which is in the form of, which is in the shape of a circle. So what is the area of a circle? Area of a circle is pi r square into, what is the height? Height is h. So this is pi r square h cubic units. This is volume of a cylinder. This is pi r square h. The volume of a cylinder is pi r square cubic units. In the area we are taking square units. In the volume we have to take this as cubic units. That is, the volume of a cylinder is pi r square h cubic units. Units may be centimeter or meter or liters. We can take it as a liters also. Now let us solve some problems related to the volume of cylinder. This is the problem. The circumference of a cylindrical vessel. The circumference of a cylindrical vessel. Okay, is 132 centimeter. Circumference, and that means the base, circumference, the perimeter, and its height is 25 centimeter. This is 25 centimeter, and it is given the 2 pi r is equal to 132. Why it is 2 pi r? This is nothing but circumference. So, and one more relation is given. 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. 1 liter of liquid is nothing but 1000 centimeter cube. Now, solution. What is given? C is given. C means circumference and H is given. So, you have to find volume and it should be in terms of liters. Now, what is C? C is nothing but circumference. So, 2 pi r is equal to 132. What is the value of pi? Pi is 22 by 7 into r is equal to 132. R becomes 132 into 7 by 2 into 22. 2 6 are 2 6 are 22 3 are, this is 21 centimeter. Now, what is the volume of the cylinder? Volume of the cylinder is pi r square h. So, V is equal to pi r square h. I will rub this. What is r? R is 21 into 21 because it is r square. So, 21 into 21 into h. H is 25. 7 3 is. So, 22 3 is 66 into 21 into 25. That is 36,300 centimeter cube. So it should be converted into liquids, that is 36,300 by 1000. 2020 36.3 liters. So the cylindrical vessel with the height of 25 centimeter and the circumference of 132 can hold 36.3 liters of water in it. Understand? So this is the conversion. So 1 liter is equal to 1000 centimeter cube. That means if you convert the centimeter cube into liter, you have to divide the obtained result by 1000. That is 36.3 liters. So this is 34,650 centimeter cube. So volume is equal to 34,650 by 1000, 1010. So 34.65 liters. So the volume, the cylindrical vessel can hold 34.65 liters of water in it when it has a height of 25 centimeter and the circumference as 132 centimeter. Okay, let us take another problem. So here in this problem, if the lateral surface area of a cylinder is 94.2 centimeter square and height is 5 centimeter, find the radius of the base and volume Use pi is equal to 3.14. It is given like this. So now we have to recall the lateral surface area of a cylinder. What is the lateral surface area of a cylinder? What is the lateral surface area of a cylinder? So LSA of cylinder is equal to how much is given? 94.2 centimeter square. And h is given, that is 5 centimeter. We have to find out R and V. So what is LSA? LSA of a cylinder is equal to 2 pi RH. What is LSA of a cylinder is 2 pi RH. It is given 94.2 is equal to 2 into 3.14 into R into H is 5 centimeter. So 94.2 is equal to 5 to the 10 into 3.14 into R. So R is equal to 94.2 by it is given 3.14 into 10 is 31.4. So 31.4 3s are, you will get 94.2. So this is 3 centimeter. So R is obtained. Now take V is equal to pi R square H. What is pi? 3.14 into R is 3 square into 5. 3.14 into 9 into 5. Multiply it. 3.14 into 9 5 is 45. Is 141.20 centimeter cube. So this is how we have to solve the problems. Okay, I will give the HF for this session. The HF for this session is exercise 13.6, problems number 2, second, third, fifth, sixth, and it has 7, 8 also. Try all the problems which are in the exercise. If you found difficult in solving the problems, just contact us. Just to remind, the volume of a cylinder is only one formula, that is pi R square H. Okay, just go through the formula and substitute, use that formula in a different manner, and you have to remember the LSA and TSA of a cylinder also. LSA of a cylinder is 2 pi RH, TSA of a cylinder, that is total surface area of a cylinder, is 2 pi R into R plus H. If you remember all these three formulas for the surface area or volume of a cylinder, then the problems related to the cylinder you can easily solve. Okay. Now try all the problems and try the solved problems in this session once more in your home and try to understand as much as possible. If you found difficulty, just contact us. We will give the solution for the given remaining problems. Thank you one and all.